Hello, hello. Hope you guys can hear me. I will be having the mic on mute a lot today. There's some building works going on outside my house. I'm not sure if you can hear them already, but sometimes when they start doing the drilling or whatever they're doing, it does get really loud. But I'll give you a quick breakdown of what we're expecting today. So you can see we had the CPI data candle, the push price higher, taking out tons of liquidity on the way. We have a potential SMT setup forming for the data highs. So you can see that Nasdaq is a lot closer to taking the data highs than ES is. And then we have huge point of liquidity up here. So, oh shit. I don't know what we've done. That's right. And then we have also another big imbalance up here. So this macro I'm not expecting too much. I'm expecting price to just run higher, take out these zones to move back down. But of course, if we do get the displacement lower, we will be targeting the London lows of the session, which come in at the 2943.75. So it's about 178 point gain from where we are right now. There's not really much else to say except for let's watch the charts. I'd really want to see an SMT form here, sweep of the highs, red vector candle down to push price below the last swing low, and then we'll take the trade to target these imbalances and vectors right here. I think currently we are in a 15-minute. No, we're not, but that's what this huge imbalance is a massive 15-minute FVG. So I want to see it push up, take out this point, respect this FVG, move down. That's the ideology that we have today, and we'll see what we get. But I won't be taking a trade until either side of the data candles gets taken, unless we see something that I'm not expecting. Noise cancellation working pretty good. Okay, that's good to hear. Because they're being. I'll shut the window. 2 seconds. Okay, so that's all the windows shut. Hopefully we don't get disturbed, and we can just monitor price without the sound of drilling and banging. How is everybody today? Hope everybody is doing good. I'm extremely tired because I got back home about 6 a.m. last night. So, feeling a little bit lethargic, but we are still here and we don't miss a day. So I'm going to make sure that I am checking all of the. So you might see me scrolling a lot like this that I used to do. Yesterday I didn't do that, and we did miss a trade. That was golden. So today I will be scrolling through the times a lot, making sure I'm not being lazy with it and we're not missing anything. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys saw, but I absolutely battered the AMG rims, or the alloys, whatever you want to call them. So I need to get that fixed tomorrow. So I don't know what time I'm going to get that done, maybe in the midday. I also have a house viewing tomorrow and Thursday, so I've got a busy week ahead. I need to get my sleep correct tonight. Okay, so I'm looking at taking this trade. If we get an entry and we do not break this level right here, this is a trade that I would be interested in. I'm sorry if you can hear the builders, they're really noisy. Okay, so that trade is dead. I'm not going to take that. This doesn't seem like a continuation. No, it's a... Okay, if we get another tap on that 50, if we get another tap on that FEG, then we will take this. See if we can get price to come back up. Alright, let's take this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shit, I've done it way too big on this. Oh, fuck it. Shit, I'm fucking up.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, cool. But I've put way too many contracts on this, so my heart was going on that one. I'm not gonna lie, boys. I've messed up. I'm on the minis, and I didn't realise. Ah, mate, I'm messing up a little bit here, boys. My bad. But that's first TP smashed. Let's get that in there, and then we'll mark out the second zone. So the second zone would be right at the bottom of this imbalance right here that I have marked out. So now we'll put our second TP right in there. So we'll do a limit by 4. I put too many contracts on this. This is not good. I mean, it's good that we fit first TP, but that's just a mess up on my half. But if we can get final TP, this would be a massive payday. And then obviously we will run our final contract at. We'll target the London lows for the remaining contracts. Okay, to see. So second TP at 21.028.00. Okay, so let's see what we get now.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, so second TP has now been taken. Cool. So let's change this down to 3. Okay, now very simple. We're going to target the London lows. We'll be applying the stop loss 2 swing highs above if we get the opportunity to. There we go. So today I think we've hit about 10 grand on this move, which is nice. And also we have the top step accounts activated too. Only 2 of them because we are currently waiting for a payout. They are taking a little bit longer than usual. I can give you. I'm not going to mess with anything, so don't button jam anything. So I hope everybody understood the idea of taking this trade. So we can see here we had a prior sweep of liquidity. The vector candles had already been recovered, so there was no need for it to come and take this high. Ideally, this is what I would have wanted, but seeing the red vector as a displacement candle pushing price down, so we know the algorithm wants lower prices, then we saw that it respected this 1 minute fair value gap nicely. It kind of come up, tapped it, moved away. So I was happy to get in on a re-entry at that point. I wasn't happy to come in on the first tap. I wanted to see if it would respect it or not. It clearly did. And then we entered in for a beautiful entry. Just a little bit more safer play. We could have got in as soon as it tapped, but I wasn't confident because price just ran straight back to it. But once we see that it respected this fair value gap, we did indeed take the trade. So we want to see a bounce from the daily open to finish the algorithmic move lower to take out the London lows. So let's see if we get it. So I accidentally put on 15 minis, which is very, very dangerous. Do not ever do that, because I could have just blown all of my accounts. Okay. I was very, very, very stupid. Of course, it's paid out, so we're laughing now, but okay. So I can see everyone in the chat has caught this, and everybody's happy. So that is what we want to hear. Okay, so now I'm going to move the stop to the second swing low, which is going to put it at 21. So if I'm sorry about that. I always get ill when I go out, but it doesn't deter me from making sure I'm on the stream to you guys. I'll always be on the stream. So you could see there the importance of having the vector candles inside of the charts. It just gives you an indication when the algorithm is making a move. So you can see here we have the red vectors with a green coming in, so we know that it's going to be a reversal at this point. But we didn't see any greens pushing price back up. So we knew that this was the move to be taken on this occasion. what's the contract name? Which one do you need? So do you need the minis or do you need the micros? I'm assuming you need the micros, which I believe is the I'll do it on this one. So let's have a look. I believe it's NQ, MNQH. Yeah, so MNQH 2025, and it will be this one right here. So micro NASDAQ, and I'm not sure what the H stands for, but I'm guessing it's to do with the quarter of the year. I hope you didn't miss this move. But if you did, it's okay. There will always be another trade. Don't chase this trade. This trade's finished. Do not enter at this level. This trade is done. But if you did catch it, then happy days. Because this can easily reverse from here. Now it's taken out the liquidity zones, which is the vector candles. It's about to take the data low. So you do not want to be entering right here. If anything, I'd be looking for longs more than anything. Alright, bye. Alright, apologies for that. Wifey was on the phone. So also, we will be monitoring ES. So if ES does take the low before NQ, then we will be taking our profits early. So we must monitor ES, monitor NQ. It's very simple. Very, very simple today. So yeah, this was a big mistake on my behalf. I shouldn't be doing contracts of that size. I was unaware that I was on the minis. So this is unrealistic for anybody that's going to be watching the stream back on YouTube. We don't hit these kind of numbers day in, day out. It would be 10 times less than this. So right now it would be sitting about 500 a profit, and total for the day would be about 2,000. I just messed up a little bit. So if we can take out the lows one more time, we'll be moving our stops to the 21,031. But we need to see the low get taken one more time to create another swing low. So this fair value gap should get respected if we are going to get final TP. After this trade, I'll be able to buy a fucking apartment in Miami if we get final TP here. So I hope you guys caught this trade. If you have any questions on it, be sure to ask. And also, this will be going on the YouTube for all of the guys that are following me on YouTube. So if you have any questions on this stream, you can just message me. And I'll walk you through every single step-by-step process of why we took this trade, if I didn't make myself clear in the first place. Okay, so it's not a good sign. It's now inverted, so we may get stopped out for just 50 points, which is still a really, really good day. That will take it will take a miracle for this to come down and hit our final TP now, which is not a problem. because we've already secured 50 handles. And there we go.
Stop field. Stop field.
So there we go. That's how simple it can be. So I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Like I said, if any of you guys have any questions, you guys that are in the stream currently, you can talk to me in the members chat. And anybody that's watching this on YouTube on replay, message me on Instagram, and I will get you set up and I'll get you up and running. But anyway, thanks for stopping by, and peace out.